Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to edit artifacts in Claude AI. So we go right here to the artifacts, and I already create a artifact. So we go right here to our personal task manager. And if we look right here on the right side, this is our task manager, and we want to change something in this task manager. It's so simple, guys, because we can just write down here what we want to change. So for example, I'm having here easy, medium, hard, and try hard as the priority levels. So if I want to change something there, I can type in, I want to change the priority of my tasks to 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. Now, then we're telling Claude AI to do this, and then he is recoding the complete project. And if you can see right now, he is changing a lot. And let's say, no, this is fine, an error. Now let's fix this error. So right now we had some issues because it wasn't working at all, but then you can also automatically ask Claude AI to solve that problem. And we did that. So right here, we asked him, can you fix this error in Task Manager? So he did it automatically. And then right now he fixed it. And if we go right now to the stars, you see that we are having now a 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, and 4 star priority. So if you want to change anything about the artifacts, just ask Claude AI and he will solve or fix everything for you what you want. So this is how you can edit artifacts right here in Claude AI. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.